Welcome to another Vlogtober vlog video. So today's Tuesday. I think this vlog will go up on Wednesday. I'm going to show you my day. What I've done so far, I exfoliated because I haven't exfoliated in forever. And I also exfoliated my lips because I wear matte lipsticks quite a lot, liquid lipsticks. I used the e.l.f. exfoliator, which is quite nice. And then I used the Carex or whatever it's called lip balm, and that's a bit stingy. Don't know how I feel about that. And yeah, I'm going to show you what I get up to today. It's probably going to be less boring than Monday, but we shall see. I'm going to make spaghetti bolognese. So keep watching if you want to see a cook with me segment in this video. And I'm going to do a little bit of organizing and stuff. I'll show you. I don't know what I'm going to end up doing, but trying to lure you into my vlog. So anyway, I'll see you later. And breakfast for champions. This time I have the black currant lamp sip. I've had to, my cold is getting a bit better. I sound a bit croaky, but yeah. And then I have my croissant, the yucky ones, but I don't know if you're like me, but if I've spent my money on something, okay, it doesn't make me vomit, so it's all right. I am going to eat it because I don't know, it will go to waste, so yeah. And then I have my yummy coffee, my olive butter, salami, and a biscuit. What are they? They are, what are these? They're custard creams from Tesco. I like custard cream. I'll just have one or two and I just dunk them in my coffee. Do you dunk biscuits in your coffee? Anyway, so I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so makeup done. I am wearing Lolita Kat Von D on my lips. I like it. I haven't worn it for ages, so I'm wearing it now and I like it. And, you know, my foundation is the Benefit Blur, something happy. It's got that little face on it. And on the eyes, e.l.f. Mocha. So, yeah, I tried the e.l.f., not the e.l.f., the Kiko primer, which is pearly, but it makes the eyeshadow stick a bit more liquidy. I'll talk about that later on when we just sit and chat. You can see my finger again, so let's see what I'm wearing. So again, Zara top, and M&S trousers with little buttons. And yeah, that's the outfit of the day. So yeah, I'll see you later again. And I cleaned my mirror, kinda. Well, it's still dirty, but it's better than before. Yeah. I am home now, and I'm going to make bolognese. My voice sounds terrible, but anyway, I said I'm going to do it. So, Vlogtober, let's continue. So, what I'm going to use for my bolognese, spaghetti, sea salt. Here we have mild curry powder. A little bit of cumin. I like the flavour when it has cumin in it. Whole black pepper. I'm going to use a little bit of parsley because I use parsley in everything, just a little bit though. I'm going to use a little bit of garlic, and I forgot to bring my oregano. I'm going to put a little bit of oregano, a stock, tomatoes chopped up, onions which will go in first, tomatoes, a little bit of grated carrot, olive oil, which is, of course, do you recognize the language? Greek, because your channel, the person you're watching is Greek Australian, and mince. So I'm going to show you a few stages. I'm not going to show you a full cook with me because, yeah, it's just spaghetti bolognese. But anyway, let's go. So I put olive oil on the bottom of the pot, and it's like a big amount of olive oil, like a large amount, not just, you know, a little bit. It's a generous amount. And my water, and I turned on the wrong hob. Cool, Joanna, that's the way to go. Let's turn on the right one. So yeah, I shall continue. I simmer the onions first a little bit, just let them become a bit softer, and then I'm going to put the mince. Okay, so now I've thrown in the mince, sorry for that, and I'm just going to like stir it a bit just to make sure it all gets, you know, a bit simmered. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil, I think. So I added a little bit of olive oil. Now my camera is getting all steamy. Now what I like to do is add the spices and the herbs on the meat. So I'm going to do that, but I'm not going to add salt yet. I'm going to leave salt for the end, because I think something happens to meat when you add the salt straight away. It becomes really hard and stiff. I want it to be nice and soft, so yeah. So far I've added a little bit of curry powder. You can see it there, just a bit. I like it a bit curry. And some pepper. I'm going to add a little bit of cumin and everything else. Okay, so all the spices, garlic, oregano, a little bit of parsley, some cumin, curry powder. Did I say garlic? Everything is in here. Just going to stir it a bit, and then I'm going to add tomatoes and all that. Added my tomatoes, and then I'm going to add the box. I took it off because it started catching on the bottom, so yeah. Okay, added the tomato sauce, and I'm just going to cook it for about 40 minutes. I'm going to add water a little bit later, and salt and the stock. So yeah, that's it. No more Bolognese recipe. And that's my spaghetti Bolognese, the final chapter. I'm going to eat that, and I'm going to sign off now, because this is probably a long vlog where I'm cooking and all that kind of things. So don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. It's going to take me forever, but anyway, you know what I mean. Give a girl a hand, or just give me a thumbs up or something. Leave a comment. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, evening, morning, whatever. I'll see you in my next Vlogtober, which is tomorrow. Bye.